Hello, welcome to my van vlog for July 5th, 2021. And today I'm gonna unbox my new laptop. Okay, I gotta remember to talk faster because I don't want to bore the crap out of people. HP 14 laptop PC. Alright, there it is. This pretty little baby cost me $369, something like that. I was gonna film the video at a nice little table, but I'm way too lazy and I want to smoke. I do everything in my car. Okay, so I'm hoping this laptop will be enough so I can play online games with it. We'll see what happens. I'm taking my sweet time because that's what I like to do. Alright, X-Acto knife. You guys gotta be careful. I like to keep the box intact. Let's just at least get this thing opened up, and then I'll set it up in the cafe. I've been wanting a new laptop for a long time. This is a whole operation. Let's at least see what's going on. Alright. Pretty nice. Here it is. Okay. So, I'll set it up inside the cafe. And I'll have some fun. It looks like a nice one. I can't wait. I bought it because I thought my old laptop was done, but it worked today. It just needed a rest. It was overheating. I'd used it for 7 hours straight. This thing is over 5-6 years old. But so I've been needing a new laptop. So I hope this has some graphics. They did have a gaming laptop for $975, but I wasn't ready to drop $1,000. Alright, thanks for watching that video.